Yo, hello everyone. Are you dreaming of studying abroad on a scholarship? In this video, I will show you how to apply for scholarships to study abroad in 2023. You will learn where to find reputable scholarship programs. So, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So guys, with this video, we will start with this website which is Masters Portal. So this website actually helps you a lot. So there is an article that explains how to get a scholarship to study abroad in 2023 as you can see, and at the same time it has a platform that will help you search and find scholarships. So here they are, for example, some latest scholarships that are available at the moment and how much they are given and paying and what degree. But for now, let's go through this article first. So here, these are the things that you will find answers for in this article, such as what is scholarship and how it is different from grants and student loans, who can apply for scholarship, how can you apply for scholarship, how to find study abroad scholarships, and what types of scholarships are out there. So here, before diving right in, here are few universities we recommend for studies abroad. So these are the one of a lot of universities that this website is actually promoting for. So there is this University of California, Berkeley, which is in the US. There's University of Toronto in Canada, Imperial College London in the UK, IU International University of Applied Sciences in Germany, Université de Lyon in France, EU Business School in Spain, and University of Canberra in Australia. So here they are giving you some information about scholarship and what is it for. So you can read it by your own self in case you needed to know more about scholarships or you are doing kind of uh, uh, like presentation about scholarships and you are just watching this video for this presentation. Well, this website will help you a lot. It has a bunch of informations. But in case you were really interested, you are the one who's going, well, you have to really skip this because or you already know what is a scholarship and what is it good for. So now here I'm going to go here and who can apply for scholarships and how can you apply for scholarships. So this is the things that you are really interested for. So here, anyone who meets the application requirements can apply. It is Captain Obvious answer. So if you don't know Captain Obvious, which is like a cartoon that has been shown, yeah, when we were kids. But anyway, but different types of scholarship target different students. Always check if you can apply, if the scholarship application deadlines are up to date, and if the scholarships is open to national students, international students, or both. So here, these are some of the most common application requirements for scholarships: registration or application form, letter of motivation or personal essay, letter of recommendation, letter of acceptance from an academic institution, proof of low income, official financial statement, proof of extraordinary academic or athletic achievements. So these are the things that people may ask you like to give to them to prove that you are really like available for the scholarship. So you are the ones who really need scholarship, not any random dudes who gets $1 million, whose father getting paid like $1 million a year, and yeah, he will apply for a scholarship of $10,000, which is really not fair for other people. So here, how can you apply for a scholarship? So once you have found a study abroad scholarship for which you can apply, start preparing your documents. A typical application process looks like this. Register for the scholarship, usually by completing an online application form. Check your inbox to make sure you've received the confirmation email. Write a personal statement or essay. There are enough models on the internet, but remember to be original and impress through your unique expressions and ideas. Or of course, by now we can just remove this and replace it by use ChatGPT. Get official proof of your academic, athletic, or artistic achievement. Translate the document if necessary. It usually is. This is really important, guys. So, in case you had any kind of academic, athletic, or artistic achievement, any achievement that you think that may give a value of you, can give like a unique value for you, you have to really send it to them, and you really have to translate it to the country language. So for example, if you're Arabic, you are going to go to US like American school, you have to translate to English. If you are going to Spain, translate it to Espanol, and so go on. So the same thing goes for France, Germany, etc. So here, get an official proof of your low income or nationality. So here you really have to get that some proofs that you're really having struggles. You are not getting enough income. You can't really pay bills for and go to school. You can't really do all of this at once. So this will boost your chances by being accepted in the scholarship. Here, proofread all documents for errors and send them to the scholarship provider. Submit the acceptance letter from the university or an official document from the university proving you've been accepted. You won't receive the scholarship without confirming that you will actually begin studies. Wait for the results. If selected, congratulations, you are a winner. Go ahead and throw a party, but don't spend all your scholarship money on it. Just kidding. So yeah, this is like an article talking about how you get started and etc. etc. So here, how to find study abroad scholarship. This is what this website's for. So here you can choose one of these continents or countries from, for example, here let's go to Europe, find scholarship, take me to the home page. So for example, I don't think it is working good now. Yeah, it is not really working that well. Let me just try these websites and check. Okay, this thing is working well. So for example, I want to go to Europe and find some scholarships. So here are like really a huge amount of different amounts of scholarships. So here in Berkeley on the Road Clinics, doctors Anthony and John Elmont study abroad scholarship. So there is a bunch of scholarships here. You just have to go for them and like just just try to get one at least, and it will really help you. So for example, let's choose a random one. So for example, this one I'm going for. So here, to be eligible, here they are showing you what kind of stuff you have to be eligible. The benefit that you are getting, which is $3,000, not that much, I know, but at least you are getting some money to help you start with. So for example, here the student shall have a GPA above 3.2 on a scale 4, on the 4 scale or equivalent. Student must be preparing to study abroad in alternating years. Honor scholar students from any major including history awarded in even numbered years, and students majoring in programs of studying within the Department of History, including honors college students awarded in odd numbered years. Even numbered years include applications in the spring of an even numbered year. Awards may be received for the subsequent summer or academic year. All numbered years include applications in the spring of an odd numbered year. Awards may be received for the subsequent summer or academic year. So this is the eligibility of this offer for an example, and here this is like an introduction for the Elmont scholarship providers and what they do, etc. So yeah guys, this is completely it. That's how we can find like scholarship abroad. So I hope to learn something from this video, and see you guys in the next tutorial.